Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed Canva newsletter in Gmail. For example, you can see right here that I've added the Canva newsletter in my Gmail. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you can select templates from the left-hand menu option, and you're just going to type in email. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can choose any one of the templates that you like. Keep in mind, any template that you choose with a crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use it. But let's say, for example, we were to select one of their free templates, let's say this one, and we'll just tap on customize this template. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can tap on any section and you can customize it. If it is a case that you like to change an image, you can do that. You can also select the image and you could do that also and change it. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. And what I want you to do next, you're going to see the option Gmail. You're going to tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to connect your Gmail account. And to connect it, you'll simply tap on connect, and just like that, it will be connected. After you have done that, you can see how it will look. So this is how it will look right here. And you're just going to tap on publish now. Then you'll give it a few seconds while it is being pushed to your email address. Once it has been added to your email address, all you'll need to do is simply tap on view, and from there you can change the subject line and you'll be able to add in the recipients, and then you'll be able to send your newsletter. So we'll tap on check it out and it will redirect me to my email. Once in the email here, I can change the subject line, so I could tap here and I could change the subject line. Then I could add in the recipients, and then you can see how it looks right there. It's as easy as that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.